What is that over there? Is that a bird dancing? Let me get a zoom in. Wow. Look at that. Doesn't it look like a bird dancing? With its wings. Wow. I guess that bird is having a party by itself. Pretty cool. Not too sure what kind of bird it looks like. It almost looks like a great blue heron type, but it's not. To me, it looks like it's drying up its bodies. Its feather bodies. But to me, it don't look like it. It looks like it's dancing. Having a party by itself. If anybody know what type of bird this is, let me know. It was drying its wings. I thought it was dancing. Now it got its wings out. It got its wings out. You know, if I ever get my hands like that, like the bird is doing with his wings, I will say the wing provides. And I'll also say eagles and horses, baby. So if you guys are watching this and you guys don't know what kind of bird that is, or if some of you do know, please let me know. I'm really interested. Let this bird keep drying up its wings.